What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon or Dagger coming at you guys with a brand new video. And if you guys can tell, the audio isn't as normal as it usually is. The battery died on the mic, so I'm using stock audio, so if it sounds really terrible, I do apologize. But today, we're going to be talking about what clutch I got and why I got it. Now, before I do that, I do want to make a couple of announcements. I do want to say thank you guys so much. We just got partnered on YouTube probably like a couple days ago, and I couldn't be more excited myself. Thank you guys so much. You guys are the reason why I do this. I mean, it's just doing YouTube is honestly very fun, and to see that it's honestly starting to like pay off and stuff it means a lot to me. So just thank you guys very much. But right now we're gonna be talking about the clutches. Ooh, also, I do want to let you guys know too, your boy built himself a new PC, so we on that Ryzen gang. Woo-wee, baby. I do got some wiring to do in there. I had to clean up the glass a little bit. Damn, son. My desk is a little dirty, I apologize, but we back, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, gang, gang, gang. It is a Ryzen 7 3800X with a stock cooling, obviously. 16 gigs of RAM for now. Asus Strix 570E motherboard, and then a 970 is in there now, but I want to get a 2080. So anyways, now to talk about what everyone is probably here to see, that is the clutch. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, which will be right there, I did post a ton of pictures stating what I got. I wasn't gonna keep it very secret, but I went ahead and posted what I got. I did get action clutch. Now, if you guys remember from the last video, I was supposed to get ACT. Originally contacted ACT, probably like maybe it's been 2 months already, 2 months ago. They said that they're waiting for shipment. You know, once they wait for shipment, they'll be able to get the whole thing up. They'll be able to get everything going. But it has been since then that I have seen anything. You know, on their website it still says out of stock. I was like, I needed something now. I needed something quick. I needed something that wasn't gonna break the bank. Now, I know everybody said, you know, you should go Type R retrofit. You need to get it. I personally at that time did not feel like paying $2,000 for a clutch, and I still don't want to pay $2,000 for a clutch. I feel like that's too expensive, and I don't want to pay $2,000 for a clutch. I feel like that's just not the right move at this time financially with all this stuff going on. So I needed something quick. I needed something relatively cheap. I needed something that was going to still hold the power that I was pushing. You know, I'm not pushing big numbers. I'm pushing roughly, it says 240 to 307 torque, 240 horsepower to about 307 torque. That's the numbers with the clutch slippage, so I don't know what the actual numbers are. When I break in the clutch, I do want to get on the dyno and see, you know, where the clutch or where the car is actually sitting at. But currently, that's my numbers as being stated until I can prove that it's more. So I did get action clutch, and I also went stage 3. Now, when you guys go onto action clutch and you guys go onto their website and you guys see, you know, what they have, their stage 3, you have to buy the flywheel. You have to buy it. You know, there is no option for not having it. I personally am not running their lightweight flywheel. Reason why is because it's that I needed something cheap. I needed something that was still gonna hold the power. So my boys Rodden and Lewis, who killed it on the install. They helped me out with everything. They were actually, you know, teaming up with Action Clutch in this manner to help get my clutch done. Now, so it is a stage 3 with a stock flywheel, stock SI flywheel, and right off the bat, I'm gonna tell you guys already, it feels good. I don't want to give up too much about it because I will have the review coming soon, but it just feels really good. It feels okay. I'm explaining too much, but it feels good. Let's leave it at that. I don't know too much yet. I haven't gotten on it, but I did get the stage 3 clutch with the stock flywheel. I just wanted to save a little bit of money because I do eventually want to go ACT. So when this clutch gives out, hopefully ACT gets their shit together and we can get that clutch. Bottom line, because like I said in the last video, I really wanted ACT. That was like my eyes set on it. I didn't want Clutch Masters. I've only heard like mixed reviews about it, and I don't want to get a clutch test mixed reviews. So the next big bet was to go with Action Clutch. I've heard good things, bad things about it, but I've heard more good than bad. Other than Clutch Masters, I heard it's a 50-50. It's a hit or miss. So I didn't want to go with a hit or miss. I needed a good clutch that was still gonna handle the power. I'm not gonna be pushing crazy power out of it, so that's why I went, you know, stock flywheel and all of that stuff. If I was like going for big numbers, then I'd definitely get a light flywheel. But for that car, I don't plan to go big numbers at all. I just needed something that was gonna hold for what I was currently am pushing. So once I can get the clutch broken in, I do want to see if a shop will have a dyno open, and maybe we can get on a dyno because I really want to get on one. Yeah, I just got a stock flywheel, stage 3 clutch. Huge shout out to Luis and Ron. I'm gonna put their Instagrams there. If you guys want to get the same clutch that I have, and I know the review is not out yet, but if you guys want to get the same one or ask them for pricing and stuff like that, go hit them up. They will tell you guys everything. They'll hook you guys up. Let them know that I sent you, and maybe they can work out a deal for you. So hopefully they can help you guys out on that. But currently, I have to break in the clutch. I believe it's 700 to 1,000 miles. I only have about 100 on it already. I'm trying to break in the clutch as fast as I can so I can get this review out for you guys, because I know that's the most important part. Yeah, I don't know. I didn't want to go talk about retrofit. It just wasn't the right move financially, especially with, like I said, in a time like this. I just feel like it isn't the move. But I do want to get ACT in the future, so we'll see how everything goes. But maybe in the long run, like maybe if I get convinced super bad, then the next clutch will be the Type R retrofit. We'll see. I don't know yet. Right now, I just didn't feel like spending that much money on a clutch. But I hope you guys, you know, that need a clutch, that see this video, I hope you guys can bear with me. I do have to break in the clutch, but I wanted to let you guys know what I got, because I didn't want to make a 20-minute long video on what I got, why I got it, and then the full review on it. The next video is going to be like a full in-depth review. It's going to be like me explaining everything from head to toe, kind of going from there. So yeah, I got the Stage 3 clutch, stock flywheel. It is resurfaced. My flywheel, the stock flywheel, is resurfaced. So if you guys go to Lewis and Ron, they do send it over the clutch, which is not too far from there, and they do resurface it. So they did it all in a day. They did it super fast. I didn't have to wait a couple days. They did it all in a day. You know, I dropped the car off, went to work, picked it back up, easy peasy lemon squeezy, bah. I feel like that was a better decision for me as of currently, but we'll get a full review for you guys. I don't know anyone who is running the setup, so I think I'm like one of the first people, maybe the first on YouTube, but I know I'm one of the first people, you know, that I know for sure. But I think I'm the first on YouTube as well. So I hope you guys will stick with me. I'm gonna get this video up as soon as I can, and then I will try to get the in-depth review fully. I do want to get my full thoughts from like start to bottom and everything like that. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, it's not too much, but it was just a little filler for you guys. But I hope you guys are ready for the next video, because it's gonna be a banger. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, thank you guys so much for getting me partnered on YouTube. You know, it's been a very long time, and finally for me to have it feels good, mate. It feels real good, mate. But I'll try to get this video up today. Today's Sunday, so I will get it up today. Come on, bye. But just thank you guys so much. I'm trying to make as much content as I can with all this stuff going on. It's very hard to do when you can't really go anywhere, so it's like I'm kind of stuck at home, and I gotta try to think about videos to do while I'm at home. So hence the reason why I'm at home, because, you know, stay safe at home, whatever it's called. I don't care. I'm just trying to not get so the reason why I built a whole PC here. But anyways, thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. It means a lot. We're on the road to 2K. We're almost there. I believe we're almost at 1.7 as well. So if you guys are brand new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys like the video, make sure you guys leave a comment. It does help the channel out a lot. You guys have no idea. Let's see if this video can break 50 likes. If this video can break 50 likes, you guys are amazing. That means I will get the next video up right away. So if you guys can hit 50 likes, thank you guys so much, and I will get that video up right away. So just thank you guys so much. I mean, it's surreal. When I got that email, I was at work, like I was super hyped. Like I was like, let's go, turn it on, you know, like lit. If you guys enjoyed the video, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. Let's see if we can get 50 likes, and let's see if we can get 2K. We're trying to get 2K, boys, and we're trying to get to 10K. That's the road. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. Peace.